Hi, this is Skoggit. Hope everybody's doing fine out there. I myself am doing real good. And I'm going to make a video today, and it's pertaining to scammers. And before I make that, I'm going to pour myself some of this Polar 100% natural seltzer. Going to pour me a little bit of this. I got my seltzer glass with a bit of lime in it. And then we'll get started on the video. Got to have something to drink. I'm thirsty. I kind of laid off the soda pops because I don't want I just want to change, and I'm not drinking enough water, so this is a way to get me to drink more water. I don't know if this is good for me or not. Nowadays, everything is bad for you no matter what it is. Oh, that's good. Anyway, this video is how to make a scammer mad. Now, I know everybody gets these scam calls from these scammers in India, Nigeria, and wherever they are, at call centers. And I have been dealing with these scammers for a while, and at first I was playing the game with them. And really kind of upsetting them, but it really didn't get to them. I mean, it didn't get to them. So I was thinking, well, you know, I ended up usually getting cussed out and everything, but it wasn't getting under their skin. So I've finally figured out a way to really get under a scammer's skin. And oh boy, I tell you, if you do this, they will come unglued. It will just, oh, I tell you, this really gets to them. And the way you make one of these guys mad, if you like to, a lot of people, they don't want to mess with this. If they, you know, they'll just hang up. Me, I like to mess with them. I mean, they're going to call me and try to scam me. I want to make it worth their while. So what you do, and what I've found out, and this works because I've used it on several scammers, and I tell you what, it just infuriates them. I had one call me yesterday, and he got so mad I thought he was going to have a heart attack. I really did. And I told him, I said, hey, catch your breath there, and I don't want you having a heart attack or nothing, because you need to scam more people, or try to scam more people. Didn't scam me. None of them ever has. But anyway, I'll get to the point. If you want to really make them mad, what you do is start asking them questions. When they call you, they call you about your car warranty, or they call you about your Google account, or they call you about the IRS, they call you about whatever else they call about. There's so many different ones about your credit cards. That's another one about trying to get your credit card information. Start asking them questions. Like I had the one call me yesterday, and it was pertaining to my car warranty. And it says if you want, you know, we've been trying to reach you over this car warranty and all this, and press 1 if you want to speak with the representative, which is the scammer, or press 2 and be taken off our list. I pressed 1. So this Indian guy comes on, and he tells me his name, and I said, what was your name again? And then he repeats it, and I said, where are you out of? And he said that he was out of Atlanta, Georgia. I said, what's the address over there in Atlanta, Georgia? And so he made up some address and told me the address. And then I asked him, I said, is that pretty close to like Jimmy Carter Boulevard? And he said, yeah, it's by Jimmy Carter Boulevard. And then I went into detail about how I went on vacation and went down Jimmy Carter Boulevard. And he finally got so upset, and he says, I'm not interested in hearing about your vacation. and I want to know if you're going to get the car warranty or not. And then I told him, I said, I said, is that any way for a representative of a warranty, car warranty to act? I said, you seem like you're getting upset. I said, and he said, well, this isn't pertaining to what I'm calling you for. And so I told him, I said, no, I know what you're calling me for. I said, you're calling me because you're full of crap and you're a scammer in India. And he finally didn't say nothing. I said, are you there? And he said, yes, I'm here. And he said, you can go. And then, I got under his nerves. And that's not the only time I do this. I do this all the time. And that's something I want to point out and express. If you want to make these scammers mad, like, yeah, you can sit there and you might cuss them out and stuff. They don't bother them. They cuss you back. But when you start asking questions, they hate that. And I found out that's what really gets under their skin. And I tell you what, they'll almost blow their top. And every time a scammer calls me, that's what I do. I start asking them a ton of questions. And I get him so confused and so upset and so mad. He's not reading from the script no more. He's trying to figure out where he's at on the script, and it just leaves them in. They always hang up. So this was just a little video what I made on how to deal with these scammers when they try calling you, and don't ever fall for any of their stuff. I mean, I've been threatened with arrest. I've been threatened with everything else, and as you can see, I'm still here. I haven't been arrested. The guy from the IRS called me and said I was going to be arrested. I told him that I would be sitting on the front porch waiting on him. So there you go. But this was just a short video of what I wanted to make to let everybody know how I deal with the scammers. And it just crazy how these people try to scam innocent people out of their hard-earned money. It just never understood this. And I'm not in no way or form or saying that the people from India are bad. There's good people out there, and I'm not saying even these scammers are bad. I'm thinking they're just working there trying to make a living. I mean, I don't know. I don't think it's just one person what's sitting there at home trying to say, well, let me see if I can scam somebody. It's a organization of scammers what's trying to get money. It's kind of like they're running a business. That's to my understanding on how it works. So they're just trying to make a living like everybody else, but they're doing it the wrong way. And I don't live in India. I've never been to India. So I really don't know how things are down there. But it just, like to me, I couldn't do that type of work. But anyway, I'm getting off the subject here. But if you want to really make a scammer mad, start asking them questions. This is Skoggit. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there. Hope everybody stays safe. Be sure you wear your mask when you go out. And y'all take care.